Hey, this is Jeff, and welcome to the Plan Forward podcast. And we're continuing a mini series called Drawn to Clarity, and it's about the importance of drawings in the design process. This is episode 3. Can we really build that? I love hearing that because it means we're pushing the creative envelope, but it also reinforces that fear of what if the design can't actually be built. And today we've got answers. Here's what you'll learn in this episode. Number 1, how as-built drawings kick off the feasibility checks. Number 2, why design-build collaboration is the magic combo. And number 3, how this protects you from expensive pivots later. So here is a real-world example. Recently, a client wanted their kitchen to be the central hub of their home, and they wanted it connected with the living room and the family room and with central views to the outdoor courtyards. But the kitchen was up in the front of the house. And to make it happen, we had to move the kitchen entirely. And our design team came up with a great plan for doing so. But to do it, we knew we had to remove several load-bearing walls, figure out the roof structure, and install a massive structural beam to open up the space. And we come up with a plan, and that leads to the question, could it work? Is this going to look correct with such a large beam? And we brought the build team in early, and they confirmed our thinking, and yes, it worked beautifully, and we were able to continue on into the design process. And that's the power of design build. Big ideas made real. With this idea of understanding the feasibility of a project, it always starts before concepts are even sketched. And that's where it starts, is at the as-built drawings. And these drawings give us the real world conditions of your home, the structure, the mechanical paths, plumbing, electrical, the foundation, everything. And they show us where the hidden costs might live. We just have to figure out where to look. And that means we can flag these big questions early, like, can this wall come down? Can we move the plumbing without blowing the budget? So as-built drawings turn unknowns into facts. So when we move into the concept stage, we're designing against reality, and we're not guessing. Then we keep checking feasibility as we go. That's where the design-build model shines. With our build team in the conversation from day one, we get real-world feedback during design and not after. That means fewer surprises later, no last-minute pivots, and no blowing up your plan mid-project. And it all adds up to confidence from start to finish. So if you're dreaming big and worried about feasibility, you can download our free Is It Buildable feasibility checklist. It gives you the right questions to ask before you fall in love with a design. So thanks for listening to the Plan Forward podcast. This was episode 3 of our Drawn to Clarity mini-series. Up next, we'll have episode 4, which is going to be all about drawing reviews. More eyes equal better design. That one's a behind-the-scenes look at how our team collaborates to make your design even stronger.